Good morning! So we are here for our island hopping tour. Took the private boat for 3,800. If you have a lot of people in your group, it's better to split the fare because with the private tour, well, you have the boat to yourselves, and there is another option which is the joiners tour, which is only for 500 pesos. Yes, the fare might be very cheap, but then you will be squeezed into the boat with probably 20 other people. So if you have the extra budget, we suggest that you get the private tour instead. So yep, we're here at the famous Puka Beach for our first stop. Yep, it's a good day today to do the island hopping. We'll show you where else we'll go. Let's go! Hello! So we finally made it here at the cliff jump spot in Mystic Island. There is an entrance fee of 250 pesos when you get here. That is separate from the boat fee that we paid, the one for 3,800 pesos. What we did earlier was, our first stop was at Puka Beach, and then we went to the Crocodile Island, but basically you're just gonna snorkel there, and that's what we did. There was a fish feeding session. After that, we went to another stop to have some lunch, which is an additional 300 pesos each, but it's unlimited, so you can eat as much as you want. We just took a rest for a bit, and now we're here at the Mystic Island. We're gonna try the cliff jump spot. So there are a lot of different levels where you can jump off of, and yeah, we're gonna try as much as we can. So let's go.
Gumagay.
Okay, so we made it back to the White Beach. So we're done with our island hopping. And dun sa Magic Island, we were able to jump from all the boards. So the highest was at 10 meters. There was a 9 meter and 7 meter for the lower ones, but we all did the 10 meters. Yay!
Conquerors.
Let's eat. Right.
Hi, Sony. Natural part of the...
Ano?
Hindi mo na yung ginagawa ko.
Init na yung...
Nori, kumain ka na. Sige po.
Ano ang harap?
Kiel, kain na. Sige po.
Hello, another day here in Boracay. Today's our second day, and what we did was we just ate breakfast at the hotel, and then we swam at the swimming pool, and then we had lunch at Chacha's, and now we're just waiting for our time to go parasailing at around maybe 4 p.m. So it's the afternoon right now, and we're just doing some beach bumming here by the White Beach. It's January 31st, a Monday, and surprisingly, compared to yesterday, there's so much less people now compared to yesterday. So it's as if all of them already went home. Look at the White Beach behind me. This was packed with tourists yesterday as we finished our island hopping experience when we were going back to the hotel. So yeah, I could say another good day.
A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not,
Look at the sun, guys. You guys. Woo!
So, sobrang sulit nung magkano to?
800.
Sobrang sulit ng 800. Sobrang
Kaya,
lupit.
super.
Sobrang lupit. Yung ano namin sobrang cloudy kaya parang luminugot. Magre-resign na po ako, boss. Magre-resign na ako, ha. Mag-travel na lang ako. Mag-travel. Ay, ingay yun. Ingay yun.
I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos.
Ano pong ganap nyo today?
Mag-i-snow kami.
Ski. Snow.
Hahanap kami ng snow.
Ganyan outfit nyo to.
Yeah, here's something. You know.
Mas kochi. Basang-basa siya, oh. Basang sisi. Ligo yan.
Doon naman tayo ngayon.
They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
Go, go, go.
The Stockholm lights.
Let's go! Let's go, let's go!
Video.
Pak.
The Stockholm
Ate
lights.
Sirena.
A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back.
Hello!
Hey, what's up, Kuni?
Doesn't
Baka
matter
basa.
if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we like. The world is waiting. Step beyond our door.
Ay, pala ka.
I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store.
Aray, ang sakit.
I'm falling, the cityscape by night. Wanna catch my photos where you go. Every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
vlog.
Hi vlog.
Hi
Welcome
vlog.
guys.
Welcome to guys. This is a vlog. Sharon! Napakabilis sila kapag sinabing food na. Lunchtime here at Shingli. Shingli with the river, cliff jumps, and the ATV ride.
Kayo manood dyan adobo.
Adobong sagat.
Nang away.
I-unfollow nyo po ito.
Huwag niyo po yan. Huwag po kayo makikinig dyan.
Mali po yung mga binablog niya.
Ah, sabaw! Masaya ka na, okay?
Dad.
Siyempre nakakita siya naman siya ng babae. Masaya siya.
ng kiksi. Hello daw pala.
Ano pa din? Nakawa ba?
Wala nung
I'll see the Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights.
Ah!